everybody, we're here for a unboxing on the go. I have a little package here that I was sent from one of my subscribers and one of my followers on Instagram. I taped it shut. Let me see. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Hi John, I hope you like these Foxy Fix items. Thank you for your excellent videos. They really helped me decide which notebook to get and how best to use it. Take care. Azura Morgan. And that's her Southern Fried Glamour is her Instagram, and Azura KM on YouTube, just so others would have that. But isn't that a beautiful card? So she had sent me a couple of messages, and during the last Foxy Fix mystery sale, I got a Himalayan salt, I think, or maybe it's a rosé, I'm not quite sure. I'm moved back into my number 0 compact in the spice time, and she said she got something that she didn't like, but she knew I might like the color, and she said it had some interesting embossing on it, so she sent it my way so I could show it with you guys. Ooh! So this is the spice in the, I want to say, is it sage? So let's take a look on the inside. Oh, it came with one of the card sleeves. That is the Zoe leather in that beautiful cream color that kind of looks like a hard-boiled egg. Very pretty. And look, this has the petal pockets. There's a petal pocket there. And I think, oh yes, this is a wide. You'll see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 elastics, and there's 2 card slots here. And there's also a deep pocket. Let me grab a... Here, I have this card. This is one of my favorite boba shops in Oklahoma City. And it's called Babel. So there's a card slot here. There's a card slot here. A card slot here. Card slot here. And you'll see there's a pocket back here and a pocket here. And it has the 6 elastics, and since it's the spice leather, it has the pocket with the reinforced spine. So we saw that there's a gold heart right there. And let's see what's on the other side. Oh my gosh, is that cha-ching? Cha-ching? Is that what that is? It's a gorgeous color, and it's so super smooth. Wow, wow, wow. That is very, very cool. Thank you, Azura. Is it Azura, like as in like the color blue? Or let me know how to pronounce your name. I'm so sorry. Thank you for sending me this cute little notebook. I will put it to some use this summer. I think it's a nice spring and summer sort of a color. It's very pretty, very pretty. But I wonder if anyone has ever found a way. Is there a way to remove a foil embossing? I'm wondering if like a like putting a leather conditioner over it would, or like very gently with a like some rubbing alcohol on a Q-tip maybe. I don't know. The heart's cute. Cha-ching. Is that what that C-H-A-C-H-I-N-G? Cha-ching? Is that? That's... So I've never seen anything like that. So I'm going to put my stuff that I have in my little micro. And actually I do have some cash today. That's very rare. Oh, it's because I taught some flute lessons. That's why I've got cash. So I always do this. I always put like a writing board or something in the back. And then this I will put in off camera because it's got my cards in it. So there's my cards. This is my little journal that I've been using for the month of June. This is my monthly calendar. Trying to make sure I'm... Here we are in June, almost in July. I guess I'll put that here. I don't have enough inserts to fill this up yet. So let's try something different. We'll put stickers, some stickers here. And we'll put some stickers and stuff up there. Or actually, no. These I will place back here. There we go. And then I'll put this beautiful card from Mindy Lacefield up there. And then I will put my cash in there. So this is a wide, so it does have a lot of room. You can see the difference in the width of the spine. This has 6 elastics and is, I think, 1.5 inches. This has 4 elastics and is 1.25 inches. So there you go. I just thought I would share a quick little unboxing of this cute little notebook. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I will link Foxy Fix, and I'll even link Azura and her Instagram and her YouTube channel. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.